Hi, it's Becky, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be talking about adult acne and how I've been dealing with my skin sort of breaking out and generally just not being how it used to be. I have completely changed my skin routine, but I'm going to talk you through that in a different video, so if you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and you will know when I release that video. But for today I just wanted to kind of talk about the different tips, the tricks, and the things I've just been doing that make me feel a lot better about my skin. So the first thing to mention is adult acne and having a lot of breakouts when you aren't a teenager is normal. One of the things that I really struggled with was I never really had bad skin when I was younger, so getting to my late 20s and then having bad skin, it just didn't feel particularly normal, and that was something that made me quite insecure about it. But it is normal, and it can be caused by so many different things. It can be stress, diet, medication. There are so many contributing factors that can affect your skin. And obviously that doesn't take away from the fact that it is still really rubbish to feel like your skin is bad, but it isn't as unusual as I think you would maybe first think. So there's a statistic here that according to the Journal of American Academy of Dermatology, 54% of women older than age 25 have some facial acne. So that's over half of the women over 25 have acne. It isn't uncommon. Because we typically see people through a very filtered lens, or they have makeup on, or the picture has been edited, it's really easy to think that people have got this gorgeous glowing skin, and it's just not the case. There are so many models that have their photos airbrushed, lots of people on Instagram have their photos airbrushed, and a lot more people have breakouts and bad skin than you would necessarily think. So my second tip is to seek professional advice. That might mean going to the doctor, it depends, or it might mean going to a beauty therapist, a dermatologist, whatever would suit you better. In my experience, a doctor would be just putting a plaster over the problem, whereas a beauty therapist will be trying to help you work out the cause. Again, same with the dermatologist, will be trying to help you work out the cause. And they can help you change your skin routine. They can also help you know what skin type you have. So before I went to see someone, I thought that my skin was really oily. So a lot of the products that I was using were to strip out oils, because I thought, well, if I'm spotty, I must have a lot of oil on my skin. And actually when I went and spoke to someone, she said my skin is really, really dehydrated and dry. So it's finding out a little bit more about your skin. It also might be seeing a nutritionist. If it is that your diet is affecting it, it could be that you actually have some sort of allergic reaction to something and it comes out in your skin. It is just going to be helpful for you to get a professional opinion and some professional advice if it is something that's concerning you. My third tip is to make sure you are supporting your body as much as you can. So by that I mean, do look at your diet. If you are eating McDonald's every single day, that probably isn't going to help your skin. Are you drinking enough water? If your diet maybe isn't the best diet, are you taking vitamins and supplements to help your body? Are you getting enough sleep? With supporting your body as well, how much time are you taking out to de-stress? Because stress is definitely a cause of breakouts. If you want your skin to be clearing up, you need to give your body the support and the resources that it would need to clear your skin up. You can't just kind of expect it to do it with a rubbish diet, no sleep and dehydrated. My fourth tip is around hygiene. So your phone, how often are you cleaning your phone? Because if you've got it to your face and it's got the bacteria on it, you will get the bacteria on your face. Your pillowcases, make sure that you are sleeping on different sides of the pillow, changing out your pillowcases, sleeping on different pillows to make sure that you're not sleeping on the same pillowcase, the same spot every single night. Also making sure you don't touch your face. This I find really difficult because a lot of the time I will sit like this. It's definitely something that I do still do. By accident I'll sort of touch my face or I'll lean. But if you tell someone else to tell you, like I've told my mum, so every time I'm sat there with my hand on my face, she goes, Bex, and then I remember and I take my hand off my face. Because it's not just about your hands being dirty and putting dirty hands on your face, but it's also about if there are breakouts in one section and you put your hand there and then you move your hand slightly, you are just taking the bacteria from one section of your face and moving it to another section of your face, and you will probably get more breakouts. Also with face hygiene, something I've found really helpful is using a white flannel. So when I did go and see a lady about my skin, she said use a white flannel after, because you will be able to see if you have definitely cleaned your face. And I would clean my face and think, yeah, that's clean. Use the white flannel and it wouldn't be clean. The bits that I miss are all kind of around my hairline. I would miss the makeup there. But it's good to have that visual representation of, oh wait, no, I have missed a bit, I've missed around my chin or wherever it is that you might not have actually cleaned properly. If you use a white flannel, you're going to be able to tell. My fifth tip is about makeup. So when your skin is bad, the less you can wear makeup, the better. If you're not going out anywhere, or if you can get away with it and you feel confident enough to just leave it, try not to wear any makeup, because it will just clog up your pores even more, and you will just get more breakouts. But I understand you can't always not wear makeup, so if you are wearing makeup, use a green concealer to cover any redness. You can get these colour correction palettes really cheap, so you just use the green shade and you put that on any redness and then just blend it out. And what that means is you don't then end up putting on so much foundation, so much concealer, because the colour is already corrected, and you just then kind of have to cover it up. Otherwise I found I would be piling on loads and loads of makeup and you could still tell that there were spots there because the colour was still there. Whereas when I've been using this, it just really helps. And my final tip is to still feel confident. I know that it's really difficult when your skin is a bit pants, but I can guarantee you no one else notices it as much as what you do. Ways that I have found really helped with that is making sure the rest of me feels good and the rest of me feels put together. So making sure my hair's done, making sure my nails are done. On the days that I am wearing makeup, do my makeup nicely. And on the days that I'm not wearing makeup, make a little bit more extra effort with my outfit or with my hair. With making yourself feel more confident as well, there are definitely distraction techniques you can use. So for example, a lot of my acne is on this side of my face. So I keep this side of my hair forward and this side of my hair back, because this side of my face is the less breakout side. You could also do things that if a lot of your spots are on your forehead, maybe wear a hat and some lipstick. That way you're going to draw the attention away from your forehead and the hat's going to kind of be covering it anyway. Just make sure that you clean the hat after and all that kind of stuff. Just make sure you're still being the best version of yourself despite how your skin is being. So they're my adult acne tips and tricks. I really hope this video has helped. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you're having a wonderful day whatever you are doing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!